Okay, Garmin, save video.
Fuck, you want to speed up and then not let me pass you? Go. 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 Fucking retard. Go. Go.
In 1 3/4 miles, take the exit on the right to North Union Street, then take the first left. Take the exit on the right to North Union Street, then take the first left. at the traffic light.
Get one of those things and plunk it on there. Whoa, that's slow.
But I really didn't feel like that was the case. Either way, though, if I wanted to make something that wasn't hideous, I was gonna have to somehow get all of the hydrogen out of.
Fucking serious, dude? Dude.
Patient driver in the median speeds up to pass, crossing the double yellow line illegally. The impatient driver cuts across traffic to go around the car in front of him to make the left turn. The white car is in a turning lane only. As the white car approaches the turn, it starts to merge into the camera's lane that goes straight. The camera holds his position, forcing the car to merge behind.
Yeah, we're good, day.
Consistency is everything when it comes to your health. But life gets busy, and honestly, remembering to reorder supplements every month, that's just one more thing on your already taxed to-do list. That's why I became a Balanced Nature preferred customer, and here's why it's a total game changer. Your supplements show up like clockwork every 28 days, right to your doorstep. No remembering to reorder, no running out, it just happens automatically. And here's the kicker. You're getting the lowest price Balanced Nature offers every single time. Hunting for deals, no promo codes, no tricks. Plus, shipping is totally free every month. But what really sold me is you get your own personal.
My son is collected for stolen approximately registration is going on now for the key offer Kansas golf tournament. A punk with a flag.